Welcome to my channel JingleJoy Learning.
Little hands can clap, clap, clap. Little feet go tap, tap, tap. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Kiss your face. Keep your room a happy place. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Keep your room a happy place. A happy place. A happy place. Say please, say thank you every day. Kind words make friends wanna play. Share your toys and learn to care. And learn to care. Love and smiles are everywhere. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Keep your room a happy place. A happy place. A happy place. Eat your fruits and drink your milk. Grow up healthy, strong and built. Sleep at night and rise with cheer. Learning new things every year. Listen well to mom and dad. Listen well to be happy and glad. Little hands and little hearts. That's where it's always starts. Kindness always starts.